What we collected, the information we collected so far is that quite a number of households, several hundred households are connected through this water reticulation project. And there is a plan to add about another 1,500 households, which translates to about 9,000 people in Grifto town, here where we are today.
The nation and the region to use water as a catalyst to unlock the climate resilience and sustainable development for the pastoralist communities in the borderland across Africa.
Women who used to spend long hours to come and collect the water have to spend shorter time. But all the elders present here, please also encourage your men to come and collect water. It's been nice to walk together and come and collect water from the assets that has been created.